It's so important that the tyres on your vehicle are up to scratch. It's also important to have the peace of mind that should anything go wrong, or when that time comes that they simply need changing, there's a company you can trust. Serving customers across Dorset, Freeway Mobile Tyres is that company. They can supply and fit the tyres you're looking for. From budget tyres for the casual driver to high-end premium quality brands such as Pirelli, Goodyear and Continental. The more you buy from Freeway, the better the price, and they can usually supply and fit on the same day. Busy lifestyle or in need of an on-the-spot repair? Freeway can bring their depot to you, offering a fully mobile service, a service that's just as good as the one you'd get going to them. Repairs. That dreaded pop and hiss. Freeway offers a truly honest service. If the tyre can be safely repaired after a puncture, that's exactly what they'll do, keeping your outlay as low as possible. And they don't stop at tyres. Brakes are on the agenda too, and if you need a check or replacement discs or pads, Freeway can do it. Save their number. You never know when you'll need it.